I'm running late. Today's gonna be really fun because I'm out of focus. Because I'm going skating with my friend Indy. And we are kind of like checking out some skate parks that we've never been to. And I don't know what I've said on my channel about skating, but there's like 5 of us now that skate together when we can. But it's just Indy and I going today because it is just a random Tuesday. And yeah, we're gonna check out some skate parks, woo! And I thought, you know, I'd better film it. And I'm running late, so, you know, I'll talk to you in a minute.
Wow. Wow. Look how wide that is.
Wow, that's cool. That's so cool.
Do I have sushi in my teeth? Oh, I do!
Hello.
Take a pic. That's so good. Alright, let's do it.
Let's do this.
What do you do?
I have a sandwich.
This place.
Indy's just redone her skates as well. Oh yeah. Oh, look at them shine. Wow. DIY queen. They look so good.
Thanks. Perfect. Don't touch them.
They're only to look at, not to use. Ooh.
Is that different?
Yeah, it is. Can you see him?
Are you okay? Yeah. Okay.
How are you feeling before the big dip?
Confident,
Yeah.
but there's a pit in my stomach that's, you know.
Well, you know, we always
Rumbling.
say, if you feel like you can say, yeah, I can do that,
I can do it.
you can absolutely do it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
I'm really, thanks. That is not okay.
Dude, that's like more than vertical. That's like concave. Is that the word? There we are, on the other side of life.
My ghost.
That's us in the afterlife. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. You! Yeah! What? Yeah, bitch! You got so many balls. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Will she do it? How do you feel?
High on life. It's all about the reward, putting in the hard work.
Yep.
Sometimes it feels like, I feel like I'm a swimmer at the Olympics.
You are.
They interview them after
Yes.
and they're like, yeah.
The hands.
It's all just in the bowl and the pool.
Just leave it in the bowl, you know? Leave all your worries in the bowl. No, outside of the bowl.
I forget about everything when I'm in the bowl.
I'm so proud of you. So cool, bro.
Ready.
Hey guys, welcome to my skate vlog. And today we're going to be talking about my leg.
Doing something new.
Roll down here. Update on Indy's glitter skates. Most of it has come off. Like literally most of it has come off.
So we could do a long skate would be nice.
Yeah.
Show off a little bit. Yeah, the sunset. Show people that there are skaters around.
Alright, cue a sunset montage.
I am the one. Will it copyright or something?
No one else! Yeah, I'll copyright. It will get copyrighted.
Child lost a baby. This is so annoying.
Oh, I feel really safe. I feel a bit invincible in the fact that I'm not wearing shoes. This is just weird. How many meters? Oh, 300 meters.
500.
70 here or 60?
You're the driver.
Right, did I just miss stuff?
Yep.
Yeah, we're going to surf world now. Cowabunga.
We skate, we surf, we boogie board.
Boogie all day and all night long.
That is not a baby. I'm looking to the side.
She's like, I heard that. She's got mum hearing. She's like, he
Oh
is
my
only
God.
42 months old. we finally did it. We finally filmed the skate vlog. It's been a long time coming. I think it was easier because we were at an unfamiliar park, so I didn't give like a shit about what anyone thought.
Yeah, that was definitely.
And also GoPro made it a lot easier, carrying like a little tiny...
Lots of inspo.
Lots of inspo.
Yeah, that was easier to film.
Yeah.
Carried around. And the skate park that we usually go to is like...
condensed.
Mostly like flat.
Yeah.
With like a bowl here and there.
Like stuff. It's like, there was so much like open space as well. And then lots of fun stuff. So yeah.
We did awesome. High five.
Okay, bye. There she is.
Here I am.
Yeah. Watch out. Wow, you could have died then. Men's. This is the poster that we saw that made us, well, not this exact poster, but this was the window display.
It was like
that made us want to start.
Girls. It was like
It's iconic. It's here.
Yeah.
Put it there. Yeah, this window. We all were like, should we start skating?
And then
we did. Now we can see ourselves in it, metaphorically and literally. That's ours. Isn't that funny that that's our skate? It's literally the opposite now.